All right, so for your homework assignment, what you're going to be required to do is take at least 3 shapes, and you're going to create your own shape out of those 3 that you actually choose from. And you could choose whichever one we've talked about. You could do stars, you could do polygons, circles, rounded rectangles, rectangles, whatever you want. Just make sure that you use 3 of them. Okay? And so I'm just going to show you what I wanted to do with my shapes, just to show you how easy it is to make a pretty easy custom shape. So what I've done is I've taken a circle, a rectangle, and 2 triangles, all right? So that would count as one shape for your assignment, as is posted in the description. You need to use 3 different types of shapes, not just 3 shapes overall. All right? And you need to make them into one shape. And so just to show you how I'm going to do this, I can copy this over. I'm going to select all of them, hold down Alt with the selection tool, and just move them over here. Okay? And I can show you how to use it with the Pathfinder tool as well as the Shape Builder tool. And if I do that, I'm just going to make another copy. Let's make sure I get everything. All right, so starting out with the Shape Builder tool, I'm going to select everything in my shape, hold the Shape Builder tool, and I'm just going to start dragging what I want to keep. All right, it's looking pretty good. All right, that looks just like what I wanted. All right, so now I'm going to delete some of these things that I don't want. And to show the shape, I'm just going to reverse that image, and there I go. Pretty simple. All right, now using the Pathfinder tool, I'm going to select these 2, and since this is actually a shape, I'm going to minus this triangle from this triangle. So minus the front. All right, now if I click here, I can't select anything because that's not really a triangle anymore. All right, and now what I want to do is I'm going to select these 2. I'm going to add those together. So now the circle and the triangle are combined. Now what we have here is this piece is going to be sticking out, and I don't want that sticking out. I want that to go away. So what I need to do is I need to select both of those, and I'm going to divide this. You could do it a couple different ways, but I'm just going to choose to divide it. And now when you select it, everything's all grouped together. So you want to right click and go ungroup. Make sure that we can get just this one piece. I'm going to delete that. Okay? So now I'm going to pull this together. I'm going to switch these colors just to see what I'm actually selecting. Okay. And so then I'm going to hold Shift, select those. I'm going to add those 2 together. And then select those 2, add those together, and select those 2. I'm going to add those together. All right, and same thing. Let's see, what do I got? Going to invert that. Make sure there's nothing in there that I don't want. I can even drag that over. Select that area. Oh look, there was some things I didn't want. So I can delete that. And here I go. I've got 2 shapes. They look pretty good. Pretty standard for what I would be expecting for the homework assignment. So go have fun. Make a couple of different ones and submit the one that you like the most.